Here the question said, in a factory 70% of the products produced by machine A1, machine A. So probability of A is 0.70 and the remaining produced by machine B, so 0.30. Machine A produced 90% of the product's defects, so the remaining 5% are without defect, so the remaining 5% are defectives. So let's call D as a probability of defective. So probability of defective given came from machine A, it is 5%, so 0.05. How I know it is 5%? Because 95% are not defective, so the remaining are 5%. And defective, given that it came from machine B, how many non-defective there in machine B? 85 non-defective. So remaining 15% are defective, so it means 15% means 0.15. If a randomly selected product is found to be defective, what is the probability it was produced by machine B? So the question said, what is the probability of B given that we already know it is defective? Using the conditional probability rule, we have probability of B and D divided by probability of D. We can find the numerator by just multiplying probability of B with the probability D given B. So 0.30 times 0.15. What about the denominator? Let's write it down. So 0.30 times 0.15. The denominator is the probability of defective. We can get it by getting probability of A and defective and probability of B and defective. These two probability we can get it by multiplying this, and then we will get probability of A and defective, and B multiplied by D given B, we will get B and D. So add them. So what we have done here in the denominator, we will multiply 0.70 times 0.05, then we will multiply 0.30 times 0.15. So the final answer is 0.5625. It means that there is 56% of the chances that the defective product was produced by machine B. So be careful here. This probability you get it by multiplying using multiplication law, and this probability you get it by multiplication law of 0.30 with 0.15. These two you add to get the denominator value, and that's what we did here. In the denominator we have multiplied 0.70 with 0.05, 0.30 with 0.15. If we have 3 machines, we will repeat it for the third machine also, like we did in the previous example. We have multiplied E1 with a conditional probability, and E2 with a conditional probability, and then E3 with a conditional probability of E3. Thank you for watching.